In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore the network setting and connect your printer to a new Wi-Fi network. This will help you to reconnect this printer with the new Wi-Fi. So first step is to go to your printer control panel. On the main display, click on the wireless. So scroll down and press OK. Select restore network setting and press OK. Confirm yes. You will see the wireless light will start to flash. That means your printer is disconnected from the previous wireless network. If you want to connect it with the new wireless network, then you have to do the Wi-Fi setup. On this screen, select wireless setting and press OK. Wireless setup wizard. So go down and then press OK. From the list of wireless networks, select your Wi-Fi and press OK. You have two options. First is to do the WPS Wi-Fi setup or just use the password. The easiest way is to use the password. Click OK for that. On this screen, we have to select the alphabets, numbers and special characters. You can use this button to select uppercase, lowercase, numbers, special characters. And you can just start entering the password. For example, to enter A, press OK. To select numbers, we will use this button and then press OK. Now enter your complete Wi-Fi password. Once you enter the password, click on the done button and press OK to apply the password. Printer is connected. Click on the close and click on the home button. So your printer is connected to the new Wi-Fi network. Now you can just go to the smartphone or your laptop and open the HP Smart app and just add the printer. So this way we can connect this printer with the new Wi-Fi after disabling from the previous Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching.